are you?
With my fiancé.
Hey, how are you? How is mommy and dad?
Very fine, thank you.
Hold on. Come and eat too.
Thank you, ma.
Cause when she on that floor, she's a dancer.
There's problem. Come and test this food.
Are you sure?
Test the food.
I think it tastes poison. This food that I'm eating is nice, so there's nothing wrong with this food though. Anyway, let me just support her. She's my mother-in-law. Maybe I should take from the center. I mean, the ingredient is to stay in the center. Ha! Where did you get this food from? No, now, mommy, see, whoever cooked this food wanted to murder you. Yes! Yes, this is attempted murder. First degree attempted murder. No, now, mommy, you can't be living in this type of estate. Mommy, you can't be living in the estate and you be eating this type of food. Hello, don't get mama put. You know what they put inside? No, it's wrong now. But you came out order from restaurant, mommy, take it by shot. No, I'm sorry. Take by shot. No, mommy, you're not supposed to be eating food like this. Really, ma. At your age, you used to be avoiding some ingredients. It's all these nice causes. No, it's wrong. You need to get this person's number. We need to call them. We need to arrest them. They need to be jailed. No, why was mommy in jail for God's sake? Look at the food that mommy is eating. Something that is can actually cut her life short, like literally cut her life. No, don't tell me to calm down. No, see, I'm planning a future with you. Where will mommy be Tababi more? Yeah. Look at what mommy is eating now, and you're cooking a one ish or C frequency. What do you mean? In fact, where's the kitchen?
Just hold on. Now, the thing is, she cooked this food herself. She's just trying to test you. She wants to know if you're real.
You mean your mother cooked this food?
It's my biological mom.
You want me to You're asking. I've been honey. I want me to joke with someone.
Right. Perfectly correct.
This is the ring that all that do.
Alright, Dollars, you know what you're going to do now?
No.
I want you to threaten them with this gun. I mean, don't shoot it, but I just want you to threaten them.
Okay.
Let them feel threatened. Are you ready?
Yes.
So let's shoot.
Right,
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm coming back. Hello. How you doing, my dear? Hi, my name is Dollars. So what's going on here? Why are you just like this?
Yeah, I locked my keys in my car and I've not been able to get to it.
I think I can. Don't worry, no, that's not a big deal. I told you, 2 minutes, I'm done. So,
thank you.
You're welcome.
But that's not my car. That's my car over there. Yeah, that one.
Okay, let me.
Hello, young man.
Sir?
What are you trying to do?
I was just trying to.
And what's this?
We're